Hello everyone! In today's video, I will tell you how you can clear any friend's conversation on Snapchat. If you haven't subscribed to my channel before starting the video, do so quickly and watch the video till the end. Here you can see how I delete this entire conversation. First of all, you have to tap on your profile icon. After that, tap on the settings icon on the top right. Now here you have to scroll down. Now tap on Clear Conversation. Now select any one friend from here and click on cross icon. Now tap on Clear. In this way, you can within one click you can clear the conversion of any chat. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel.